In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for branding. If you want your business visuals to look consistent across presentations, social posts, documents, and other marketing materials, Canva makes that process much easier. Instead of re-entering colors, searching for logo files, or trying to remember which fonts you used last time, you can keep everything organized in one place and apply it quickly whenever you create something new. To begin, open your web browser and go to canva.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're on the Canva home dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. In that menu, find the section labeled Brand and click it. This opens the area where Canva stores your branding assets, making it the main place you'll use to manage your visual identity. Next, go to the top right area of the page and click Add New Brand Kit. When the setup window appears, enter a simple name for your business or project, then create the kit. You'll now see an empty setup with sections for logos, color palettes, and fonts. This is where your core brand elements will live. Start by uploading your logo. In the logo section, click the upload area and choose your logo files from your computer. High-resolution PNG files with transparent backgrounds work especially well, and SVG files are great if you have them because they stay sharp at different sizes. After that, move to the color palettes section and click the plus sign to add your brand colors. Enter your official hex color codes so Canva can save your exact shades for future use. Then scroll down to the fonts section. Here you can define the fonts used for titles, subtitles, and body text. Click the edit icon next to each category and choose the font that matches your brand style. For example, you might use something bold for headings and something clean and readable for body text. If you use a custom font that isn't already in Canva, select Upload a Font and import the appropriate TTF or OTF file. Once your brand kit is ready, return to the main dashboard and open the design you want to work on, whether that's a presentation, document, or social graphic. Inside the editor, click Brand from the left sidebar. From there, you can apply your saved brand colors and fonts directly to the design, which saves time and helps everything stay visually consistent. Before exporting, do a quick alignment check. Move your text and graphic elements around the page and use Canva's built-in guidelines to help line everything up neatly. Also, make sure your main titles stay clear and not too long so the layout feels balanced. When you're finished, click Share in the top right corner. Choose Download, set the file type to PNG, and then click Download again to export your high-resolution file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next